Otherwise, it looks a bit too kind of like ducky and it just doesn't look nice. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, then welcome to my YouTube channel, which is all about makeup and beauty. Now, today's video is a tutorial on my signature lip color, which is this one here. And I'm really excited to show you because recently you guys have been leaving a lot of comments on my previous videos asking me about my lip color. And it's a lip color I wear all the time. And what I am really excited about is to show you my technique, because once I've applied it, I don't need to actually apply it ever again throughout the day. Like, I don't even carry my lipstick around with me because it just stays put all day. So before we head into this video, please do give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. You can also catch me on Instagram, where you can watch my stories for daily beauty news, some product reviews, and also some PR unboxing. Now let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so as you can see, I have everything on other than my lips. I actually don't have any eye makeup on today, but that's just because I wanted to keep it pretty neutral today. So yeah, that's got nothing to do with the lips. So let's move on. This lip color is, honestly, so many people ask me about this lip color, and I love that you do, because it shows me that it actually does look good, because it's not just me thinking it. But I really want to show you guys how I kind of create that lip color, but it does all start with how you prep your lips. So we're gonna start off with my Dior Lip Maximizer. I absolutely love this product. I'm gonna apply this all over my lips. There's nothing on my lips and they're pretty dry, to be honest. So I usually apply this kind of like all over and just let that kind of like sink in and get to work. What that actually does is it helps to plump up my lips a little bit, so it starts tingling. I was just wondering why did I pick up my pen? That's so weird. Okay. So it starts tingling, and then it also helps to kind of smooth them out and just make them look a little bit more just smooth and more plump and hydrated. So it really does keep your lips hydrated, by the way, all day. So it's not something that just works just to plump them. It's really good. Like, I put it on in the morning and that's it. I don't need to do anything else to my lips after I put my lipstick and stuff on. So we're gonna let that kind of sink in. Usually if I'm in a bit of a rush, then I just kind of like blot my lips. I look down there because Nico's sleeping. He gets really bored of my makeup tutorials. Like, he just sits there and he's just like, oh, we're looking up at me like, oh my God, are we done yet? So my lips are still hydrated and I can still feel that kind of, it's getting to work. Now, first thing that I do is I apply my lip liner, and my lip liner is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude. Okay, so first thing I do is line my lips. Now, I want to go through with you step by step, because otherwise, you know, you could still use the same products and not end up with the same results. So I really want to show you guys how I do it step by step. Now that this lip product is kind of semi-dried, it's just tacky. Now, obviously I blot my lips a little bit just to kind of like speed it up a little bit. Otherwise, usually I would have done other things on my face, like maybe my eye makeup, and then gone back to it. And by that time it would get to this, where it's kind of like tacky and not too sticky. So I'm going to apply my lip liner. Always make sure your lip liner is pretty sharp. Not too sharp, but just enough. I don't like it also too sharp, because then it just looks like an actual line, and I don't like that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from this side here, and I like to kind of bring this up here, then I do the middle bit. So obviously I can't talk during this. So I make sure that I start from my actual lip line, and then I can go a little bit higher above my lip line, especially in the middle here. But I will always make sure that I end it like on the ends of my lip line. The lip liner that I apply always finishes on my exact lip line. Otherwise it looks a bit too kind of like ducky and it just doesn't look nice. Now, I just want to tell you, I'm not pressing too hard with this pencil. I'm going really lightly, so I just want a faint line, because I don't like it when you can actually see the lip line too. Oh my God, wait, I was gonna say, did you hear that? Did you not hear that? It didn't come out. So I don't like it when it's too obvious. Okay, now, can you see we've gone up a little bit? This top bit here, I don't like there to be too much of a dip there. I like it kind of straightish. So I'm gonna go above my lip line slightly. Okay, now we're going to do the bottom lip, same thing. I'm starting from my actual lip line, and then I'm going to go slightly lower as we come down here. Okay, now the lip liner is done, I'm going to go in with my second product, which is my Bobbi Brown Luxe Liquid Lip High Shine in Barely Nude 2. Now, I'll be honest, I love this shade, but it is super messy, like the tube. They need to clean it up a bit because it just, no matter what you do, and I don't like wiping it either too much because then I'm just wasting so much product. But yeah, I just take a bit with my lip brush from here because it's really awful to travel with, to be completely honest with you. So I take a little bit on my lip brush, and the lip brush I like using is the Charlotte Tilbury lip brush because it's just really flat and it's quite big. So it just works really well. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply this in the middle, here, and here, right? I then do that, and now I start spreading it out. It's a very small amount I've actually applied. Now, it shouldn't feel like there is so much product on your lips. If you feel like there's too much of the product, take it off on on a tissue. And can you see I'm taking it all the way to the end of my lip line? Because I really want that lip liner to blend in. Now I'm going to blot my lips on the tissue. Takes off all the excess. Okay, now it's left kind of like, even though this product is called like High Shine, it's really not High Shine. Well, unless you put loads of it on, but I put a tiny bit on. I actually, I blot it so that it's kind of semi-matte and there's not much product that can be moved. So it's kind of like stuck there now. And I find that this lip product really helps like keep it all on, this specific layering technique that I'm doing. Now I'm gonna go on to my next product, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Hollywood. A lot of you, and I mean a lot of you, have been messaging me about my lip color in most of my videos, and it's always this actual lip mix that I use. And this product is amazing. Now, some of you have said, is it the liquid lipstick? Because they do a pure Hollywood in the liquid lipstick. It's not that one because I find that a little bit too drying. This lipstick I still find really nice and hydrating. It's like a creamy finish, but in this technique that I'm showing you, it finishes, it's like a semi-matte finish. Now, I just go straight in with this lipstick. So I just go right in. I've kept it within the lip so it doesn't go all the way to the lip line. Now I'm gonna get my lip brush, which has nothing on there, and I'm gonna start doing the same thing, spreading this out. Honestly, it doesn't even take me this long to do my lip because I'm talking through it. Can you see I'm just like going inwards? Right, now I'm gonna blot. And I'll probably blot once more. And that literally is my signature lip. It's super, super easy, and I really wanted to show you this technique, which is the technique I use when I don't want to have to reapply anything. So once I've actually applied my lipstick, I don't have to ever reapply it throughout the day because this technique, this layering, helps to keep it on all day. Nothing happens to it. It still looks fresh. It looks amazing. And that's it. But yeah, I'm really glad that you guys really love it because I've had so many people actually messaging on some of my previous videos saying, what lip are you wearing? What lip are you wearing? And I just wanted to show you the version of it that lasts all day. Sometimes when I don't have time, I'll just go straight in with my lip liner and then straight in with that Anastasia Beverly Hills Hollywood lipstick, and that's it. But that won't last all day. It'll still give me this finish, but it will not last all day. So I wanted to show you the version, the technique that I use, so that it lasts all day and you don't even need to do anything to it. But it really is as easy as that. And honestly, if you go ahead and use the same products, but you don't actually do it in the same technique, and I'm talking about the blotting and the spreading and making sure that you really make sure that that lip line doesn't look too obvious, you won't necessarily get the same finish. So if you want this kind of finish where this is the kind of this is the semi-matte finish of it, and it looks like it's just kind of not really creamy, then follow the tutorial step by step exactly as I showed you and you're going to get the exact same finish. But yeah, so this is my signature peachy look that I do every day. So there you go, that was my signature lip color tutorial that you guys have asked so much about. Now I know this video was pretty short, but I really do hope you enjoyed it because I really wanted to create the video that you guys asked for. So if you do have any other videos that you want me to create, please do let me know in the comments below because I always read it and I always add it to my list of things to film. Now, as always, if you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my videos. Until the next video, take care and I'll see you soon.